1 digit 15 row. 4 34 4 53 minus 4 7 45 minus 6 8 92 4 minus 1 57 4 minus 32, that is
1 digit 20 row plus minus together. Let's start. 9 minus 5 6 4 minus 2 8 minus 7 3 1 4 3 minus 2 4 1 minus 5 7 8 minus 4 9 6. Answer is
48.
yes, correct.
3 5 minus 6 2 5. Answer is 9.
1 digit 20 row plus and minus. Okay, let's start. 1 digit 20 row. 9 minus 1 2 3 5 7 minus 4 6 minus 7 8 2 7 minus 6 8 5 7 minus 3 4 minus 1 9. Answer is
60.
yes, correct.
9 34 minus 16 28 39, that is
114.
correct. 36 28 47 minus 53 minus 25, that is
33.
correct. 45 29 33 minus 29 minus 17, that is
61.
correct.
4 5 4 3 4 8 3 2 1 6 1 5 3 5 6 1 8 2 8 2. Answer is
81.
right.
Chal 1 digit 20 row. Let's start. 2 1 8 8 2 3 1 9 9 9 7 1 3 7 8 1 8 4 8 4. Answer is
103.
yes, correct.
Next 3 9 2 7 3. Answer is
24.
right.
1 6 9 7 4 6 8 9 9 7 9 3 3 3 6 7 2 5 7 3. Answer is
114.
right.
6 7 9 7 4. Answer is
33.
right. Next
My name is Hayan Patel. I am 7 years old. I study in Swaminarayan School. I am in 4th level.
चलो बेटा अभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 by 1. ओके 72 into 4.
288.
Very good. 20 into 8.
160.
Right. Next 98 into 8.
784.
Very good.
Did multiplication 761 into 7. 5327.
116 into 7.
812.
611 into 7.
4277.
262 into 3.
786.
139 into 3.
417.
193 into 3.
579.
931 into 3.
2793.
2793. 343 into 6.
2058.
4, 5, 4, 3, 4. Answer is
20.
right. Next.
6 minus 5, 2, 5 minus 3.
5.
Right. 3, 5 minus 7, 2, 5.
8.
Answer is
8.